Hello student, welcome to Valini Nursing Academy. Some information about brainstem. Brainstem is a crucial part of the central nervous system, connect the brain to the spinal cord and control vital function. It comprises the brain, midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata, each with a specific role in regulating essential bodily process. Part of brainstem: midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata. First of all, midbrain, the uppermost part involved in visual and auditory reflexes, eye movement and motor control. Second one, pons, located in the middle. It plays the role in breathing, sleeping and facial expression. Third one, medulla oblongata, the lowest section responsible for regulating heart rate, breathing, blood pressure and reflexes like swallowing and vomiting. Function of the brainstem: vital function. The brainstem is critical for regulating essential involuntary function like breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. Consciousness and sleep. It play a role in maintaining consciousness and regulating a sleep-wake cycle. Motor and sensory pathway. The brainstem act as a conduit for nerve pathway traveling between the brain and the body, carrying both motor and sensory information. Cranial nerve nuclei. Most cranial nerve originated from nuclei within the brainstem, controlling function like facial movement, hearing and taste. Reflexes. It is involved in various reflexes including those related to eye movement, facial expression and swallowing. Coordination. The brainstem along with the cerebellum contribute to coordination of movement and balance. Thank you.